Presenting a pre-owned 2012 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, premium sound package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, Bluetooth, and power windows.